full form computer, common operation machine purposely used for technological and educational research. OTP, one time password, SMS, short message service, ATM, automated teller machine, UPI, unified payment interface, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity, CVV, card verification value, SIM, subscribe identity module, PAN, permanent account number, CCTV, closed circuit television, KYC, know your customer, www, World Wide Web, email, electronic mail, RAM, random access memory, DSLR, digital single lens reflex, LTE, long term evaluation, ICU, intensive care unit, OK, all correct, IQ, intelligent quotient, PIN, personal identification number, GST, goods and service tax.